Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Well, today this is just an update on a review that I did for these Bluedio TM Bluetooth headphones. I was asked a question in the comment section of how to remove these earpads. So first of all, let me just tell you how to remove these earpads. So removing these earpads is simple. So first of all, you just grab the earpad, make sure you keep over to the back. The back has got a plastic strip inside, pull, and you can hear the clips unclip. Just basically go all the way around the earpad, and the earpad should just come off. So that's what the headphone looks like without the earpad on. Just place that just to the side. And well, with this particular earpad, it comes encased with this plastic ring inside. You do have different type of earpads for any type of particular headphones that you have. For example, with some other headphones that I have, you just simply have to pinch behind the earpad, pull, and the actual earpad will come right out. So basically you can just go ahead and measure the width and length of the actual earpad, go to eBay, Amazon, AliExpress, buy your replacement earpads, pull the back lining out and slide a new earpad onto the actual headphones. Again, it's the same with some other headphones. You do have different types of earpads, but these ones just here on these gold headphones just slide right off the driver unit. So that's just very simple. Now going back to the Bluedio earpads, this plastic ring, well basically the earpad is glued into place. So you got the driver mesh just there, that's basically glued onto the front of this plastic ring. This noise cancelling earpad is placed over the plastic ring too, and then also glued into place just there. So it's not impossible to actually replace this earpad. You can contact Bluedio that will do a replacement earpad, but if you want a particular type of material to fit, like a proper leather, not the synthetic type, well then that's possible too. All you have to do is carefully pry the material away from the plastic ring, find the correct measurement replacement earpad, make sure you can go over the top of these plastic prongs just here. Depending on which one you buy, you might have to make little slices within the earpad so it just goes over the prongs and sits into place. Now I would apply a tiny bit of adhesive to the plastic, and you may in turn have to buy some new mesh for the actual ear cover. Replacing the earpad is real easy too. You'll have a letter saying T for top, place it back onto the earphone driver and you'll hear them clip into place. Squeeze all the way around and there you go. So yes, it's not an easy method to replace these earpads on these Bluedio Bluetooth headphones. But up to now, I've not seen a site that sells these actual earpads with the plastic already in place, especially not for the Bluedio line anyway. Anyway guys, if you've not seen these Bluedio Bluetooth headphones, please check them out in my review on my channel. I'll leave a link for that in the video description down below. And as usual guys, please share this video, please smash that like button, subscribe, not forgetting to hit that bell notification option button to stay updated on all my new uploads. Thanks for watching and peace!